Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, gusto ko lang again pasadahan yung idea ng concavity and point of inflection. Okay? So first things first is, ano nga ba yung concavity? So concavity refers to yung pagiging concave up or concave down ng isang function. Okay? So if you remember, we have a quadratic graph. So let's say you have something like this, then this is concave up, no? Kasi the concavity is pointing up. Pero kung pababa naman siya, okay? So this is concave down. Okay? So yun lang yung basic idea ng concavity. Okay? Pero if we only are given a function f, paano natin malalaman kung yung function ba ay isang concave up or concave down? Okay? So say we have a function f. So masasabi natin siya na concave up if f double prime of x is greater than 0 or x is an element of a comma b or within the domain. Okay, so meaning you take the second derivative of the function and then check kung positive or negative ba siya. Okay, and second is concave down. So kabaliktaran lang. So if the second derivative is less than 0, okay, for x in a to b, then it is concave down. Okay, so just a very quick basic example is if you have f of x equals 2x squared plus 5x plus 8. So this is a quadratic equation, and from our basic understanding of graphs, kapag positive yung a value, then this is concave up. And we can verify this using our concavity test here. So f prime of x is equal to 4x plus 5, and our second derivative is equal to 4, okay? And greater than 0 siya. So meaning this is also concave up. Okay? And as you can imagine, kapag concave down, same idea lang din. Okay? So yun lang yun naman yung idea natin of concavity. Okay? Paano naman yung point of inflection? So, pag point of inflection naman yung pinagsasabi natin. So, point of inflection, POI, this is the point where concavity changes. Okay, so, for example, you have here a graph, and ganyan siya. So, in this part, concave down siya. Tama? And in this part, concave up siya. Okay? So, masasabi natin na point of inflection siya, point of inflection, if the second derivative evaluated at some point, so c, say, is equal to 0. Okay? So, at some point, dyan, c, kapag tinake natin yung second derivative and naging equal siya sa 0, then that is a point of inflection. And another thing is that if the second derivative evaluated as c does not exist, okay? Meaning we also have another possible point of inflection. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Pinasadahan ko lang yung idea na concavity and point of inflection, and hope to see you in the next videos.